Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once again to your D tutorial. And don't forget, I'm your humble host, Uncle D. Today, we'll be solving questions regarding electric circuit that is involving resistors. Now, if you look at this diagram we have here, a particular question student of mine sent me this question, and I'm supposed to solve this question now. Now, we are calculate the current flowing through the circuit in the diagram shown above, neglecting the internal resistance of the cell. Now, we are given the option as 10 ampere, 5 ampere, 1 ampere, and 0.83 ampere. So, we want to calculate the current flow in this circuit. Now, please don't forget this circuit is a series to parallel connection. Now, if you look at it, the voltage moves from here down to this place, then from here it divides into this and this. So because of this becomes the parallel issue inside the circuit. Then it comes here and flow out again. Now we are going to calculate for current flow in this circuit. Now the first thing we need to do is to measure these resistors that is in parallel so that we can have a balanced series connection. And if we are measuring it, don't forget our formula for measure series for parallel connection is simply 1 over arrow t is equals to 1 over arrow 1 plus 1 over arrow 2. So since there are two resistors, we are only considering just 1 over arrow 1 plus 1 over arrow 2. I wish there are more than that, we would have proceed further. So to do that, we have 1 over arrow t is equals to 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6. We have 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6. We're going to take the LCM of 6 and 6, and that will become 1 over arrow is equals to LCM of 6 and 6 is 6. So 6 divide 6 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 6 divided 6 is 1. 1 times that 1 and 1. So we now have 2 over 6. Now this is not what we are looking for. We are looking for arrow in the parallel connection, not a 1 over arrow. So therefore we reciprocate, and if we do that, we are going to have arrow over 1 is equals to 6 over 2, which is the same thing as arrow is equals to 3 ohms. So this is now for the parallel. So we have successfully made the answer for parallel together. So we want to look at the total resistance now in the full circuit. That means this diagram here has become 3 ohms, no longer 6 ohms and 6 ohms, but have become 3 ohms. So let's look at the total resistor in the full series connection. Now we have arrow t is equals to arrow 1 plus arrow 2 plus arrow 3. Because they are now 1, we have made this to become 3 and this 3. So we now have 3 resistors. So we have that to become 6 plus 3 plus 6, and that will give us 15 ohms. So the total resistors in this circuit is 15 ohms. Don't forget again, we are given in the circuit, we are given 15 voltage. The voltage there is 15. So if we have V is equals to 15 volts, then we have arrow is equals to 15 ohms. Now what is I? What is my I? The current. So from these 3 parameters will remind us of a law known as what? Ohm's law, and which states that the current passing through a metallic conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied to the both ends. From that, we deduce the formula as V is equals to 1 over arrow. V is equals to 1 over arrow. We are looking for I, and I will be equals to V over arrow. So we have the voltage to be what? 15. We have the resistor to be what? 15. So 15 divides 15, then I is equals to 1 ampere. So this is how we solve for the current flowing in the circuit. So let's come to the option given to us. The first one is 10 ampere, which is wrong. The second one is 5 ampere, which is wrong. And the third one is what? 1 ampere. So this is the correct answer for the circuit. Don't forget, this is your D tutorial, and I'm your humble Uncle D. Don't forget to always subscribe and share my video, and be so that you notified when next I drop new video. Thank you and God bless.